Hello folks, the Galaxy S22 Ultra had the difficult task of joining the best of the Galaxy S and Note lineups into one device. The upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra won't be as big of a generational leap but should refine the current design formula. Similarly, some hardware components will get replaced and upgraded while others won't. While no tipster can be right 100% of the time, Weibo's Ice Universe often comes incredibly close to the perfection mark with his predictions regarding specific unreleased Samsung devices. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will stick to a 5000 mAh battery for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Of course, seeing the world's #1 smartphone vendor fail to make any sort of progress in a field that continues to draw criticism from a lot of users could lead to quite a bit of disappointment among some users. But before you swear off the S23 Ultra, you should keep in mind that mobile device makers appear to have hit a battery size ceiling of sorts. There's most likely a reason why the S22 Ultra, OnePlus 10 Pro, Sony Xperia 1.4 and Google Pixel 6 Pro all circle the 5000 mAh mark, and the 6000 mAh packing Asus ROG Phone 6 basically drives that point home with a slightly too chunky body. Samsung probably can't fit a larger than 5000 mAh battery inside the Galaxy S23 Ultra without making the premium phone look not very premium, with an overly thick profile and a bit of excessive weight in all the wrong places. But even if the next flagship won't upgrade the battery from the 2022 model, it should, in theory, offer higher performance and better energy efficiency thanks to other component upgrades. One of those components is the chipset. As you may have heard, chances are that the Galaxy S23 series will use Qualcomm chipsets exclusively. Samsung could have chosen to pause the Exynos efforts for the time being and give flagship customers worldwide an equal experience powered by one Snapdragon chipset. As per the natural evolution of the mobile industry, rumors now claim that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset from Qualcomm. Leaks say the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has an unusual combination of CPU cores, including one Cortex-X3, two Cortex-A720, two Cortex-A710 and three Cortex-A510. The CPU should work in tandem with the Adreno 740 graphics chip. TSMC will reportedly fabricate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset on a 4nm process. The upcoming Galaxy S23 lineup should comprise a base model, a Plus and an Ultra, and as yet there is no reason to believe the three won't share the same chipset, much like the previous Galaxy S flagships have. We know it's hard to get excited for a future ultra high-end phone when you constantly hear about things expected to stay the same, but it's important to remember we're still a long way from the official announcement of the Galaxy S23 series, and major upgrades tend to come to light a little later in the pre-release news cycle. For the time being, we expect the S23 Ultra to come with an insane sounding 200 megapixels primary shooter on its back, and together with a potentially massively upgraded Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, that could be enough to convince a lot of owners of the S20 Ultra, S21 Ultra and even S22 Ultra to switch to the next big thing. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching and good luck!